It's more like a life-changing course probably, because now I'm actually thinking of quitting my job.
My 1 month here has been really transformational for me.
I can see a big difference in me, that all those boundaries have been broken. That Bharatha keeps saying that you become what you believe. So I left all that behind and I was like, I can do this, and I can actually see the strength in myself.
Coming here, hearing to Sir, he is always very motivating, because I was unable to bend myself 6 months before. And right now he has put me into the advanced asana. It's very easily I can do many asanas.
Injuries are also increasing so much, and I really like the fact that Sir talks about it, that in anatomy also we had 2 sessions just about ligament injury, which was something that I never really had, or I never experienced it anywhere else earlier.
So there was one time when we were practicing Kaundini Asana, and Sir just came beside, I think it was Kaundini Asana B, and Sir just came to me. I was there, almost there, and Sir just sat beside me and was like, you can do it, and I just flew.
And the pranayam, oh my god, I've never been able to sit for 1 hour ever, but like Nikhil Sir has been so helpful and Bharat Sir has been so helpful in making me understand that you control your space there, and the more you try to fight it, the more difficult it's going to be.
Also being more mindful in my practice, holding for so long and just concentrating on what my body is feeling, how my breath is going.
I give all the credit to all the teachers we have and the beautiful course that they have designed.
And like apart from that, all the teachers are amazing. There was not one subject where I felt like, okay, I don't understand anything.
Like I can't even fathom that 1 month has passed and I'm like, where did the 30 days go? I mean, what's happening? Because they happened so quickly and there was so much learning involved.
So I didn't know what I was coming into, but I'm taking out a lot with me.